Hi, Don here. Well, I got a package yesterday from a good friend. And, well, he sent me some parts. Here's Don, the German printing nerd. As I said, a good friend sent me some parts. Yesterday, I got it in the package, in the post, and well, he sent me a fan, a thermistor, and a 40-watt heat element. Well, I got everything already cut up and everything, but yeah. Unfortunately, this so-called JS2 or JT2 or whatever it's called, this small female plug here, this is the old one from the heat element that caught on fire. I cut this one off to see if I could reuse it, but unfortunately the fire got, or let's say the wires got so hot that they melted everything inside here. And luckily a friend was able to tell me exactly what these plugs are called. So I checked up in Amazon. Oh, about €8 for a pack with 20 male and female plugs with wires already on them. Delivery time between the 5th and 17th of July. I think they're coming from China. But anyway, I just wanted to give a close update on what is going on. And I do still see some residue on this red aluminum from the fire. But yeah. Another thing that I wanted to mention, although this is a nice compact setup for direct drive, with Pinda on it and everything, you know, it looks okay. But unfortunately, I must say, this small fan that is sitting right here on top of this aluminium block, the aluminium block down here on the bottom, it has slots in it going all the way up to the front, and then here in front the slots come out so that a little bit of air can be blown through. But really, I am not sure about this system at all. I am not sure. It worked good for that fourth wing part that I needed, that attaches to the main body of my X-wing, and 2 wings, whereby the second wing I had to do a lot of repair work on it with my Modify 3D tool. And when I tried to print the third wing, I started getting heat creeps up and filament jams without stop. This was a process that was a really pain in the backside. And anyway, I got then the red aluminium block, replaced everything, and there's absolutely, unfortunately, no difference from the black one. But this one does look better from the optic. That's the only thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm not sure, but it would be nice. Yeah, this is in. Would be nice if Wanhao would start thinking about changing this whole design. Personally, I would say the best would be to put a complete different printhead on here, maybe a what's it called, EFL6 or something. Make a Bowden setup, put this on the frame. There is enough room somewhere. Might have to put this on top of the frame because the left and right side is occupied on all four sides. That means only place that is left is on top of the frame for the extruder. But let's just say next month I will be starting to order parts. I'm not sure if that is done through eBay or through Amazon or through AliExpress or through GearBest. I do not know. But I will start ordering parts. And when all of the parts are here, I will then use the black frame that I have, the bottom plate, maybe for the mount, and then use a drill press to drill out the holes that are needed for the printhead to come through. I'm not sure, but something will be done. But one thing is for sure, this extruder motor is going to come out and go up somewhere on top. And then I'll have to make some kind of a cable change for that. Probably run a parallel cable with the gray flat cable up to the top for the extruder motor. But yeah, that's something that I will be personally try to do, because although this is a nice system, I am not impressed at all with the cooling factor back here. And this cooling factor down here for the part cooling As you can see, it is open here. This plate kind of directs the wind to come down to the point, but if you look at it exactly, you can see that the wind, let me see here, I need something flat. Ah yeah, fingernail file is flat enough. And if I put this on here, press it down, let me see if I can, no, on this side. Yeah, anyway, wind is coming to the point, and the way this thing is set up, it guides the wind to the middle and to one side of the print. But that is something that needs to be changed too, as I have on my i3 the horseshoe system that comes to the left and to the right of it. Let me get this on my hand. Comes to the left and to the right, blows from behind and on both sides, and a little bit to the front. It's open on the front so that you can see everything that's happening, but yeah, that's something that needs to be changed too. There's already one on Thingiverse where someone mounted a duct fan on this side, I think it was, with plastic coming down and around. Also might be an idea, but we'll see. First things first, I have to wait about 4 weeks, I hope not longer, for the plug that I need for the heating element. Already set up, ready. Already put some solder on both of the wires, so that all I'd have to do is just connect. But this connector, you can forget it. Yeah, anyway, as always, I do wish to say, have a nice day, happy printing, take care, and safety first. Don't forget about that. As I can see from other channels where someone who is printing and filament is coming out and he grabs it with his fingers and takes it away. Not good. Always use tweezers. Don't forget the nozzle is hot and can burn you. Anyway, bye for now. Take care. Oh, and before I forget to say, unfortunately, due to a electrical problem or whatever, no idea, but if you take a look down below at my Amazon wish list, you can see 4 items at the top that are, I would say, desperately needed. I do have my laptop here, thank God, so that I can still record some filming, edit, and put it up on YouTube. I can also watch YouTube, Facebook, and everything here. Also my emails. But yeah, It would be nice. You can also see buy me a coffee. Any help would be greatly appreciated, because well, if you see what that stuff costs, the fan, the cooling fan for the processor, yes, I could buy that this coming month, but everything else, I do not know how to do that. I do need help, but yeah. Anyway, y'all take care now. Huh? Bye.